All right, we are very excited because we are here with another exciting episode of You Make It, We Skate It. He tossed that very nice and gentlemanly. Wait a sec, didn't we already do this board? Yeah, we did. So here's the thing. I did this board and I couldn't stop thinking to myself, we can make this better. We can improve this. We can hack this.
I wasn't here for it. We could do
it. He said I wasn't here for it. We could do anything. So I took it upon myself to take a little trip to Home Depot. And yes, I tried to film that, but no, the battery died on us. So we bought all these amazing accessories. So here's my basic idea. I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna place this on the bottom. And then I'm hoping that the wheel will go on this and that somehow using hardware, I can screw this in and make it like really good. So I just realized that I need probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces of hardware with both sides.
Here?
Yeah. Find me some hardware. You think you can?
Maybe.
100%. Mowgli, you know where the hardware is. Find the hardware.
There's no hardware here.
Out of everything we needed, if we run out of hardware, well, maybe we only need 4 and there's a way. So first things first, I'm gonna take this thing off. This is a lowrider board and we're just gonna make it the best lowrider board that ever existed. Oh, brand new ones? Ain't playing games out here. So actually it's kind of interesting because you can pull this apart. The person who made this is like an actual professional builder and they weld and stuff, and now we just have me. One more thing, I need a skate tool. So look at that board. We're gonna take the muffler off because that wasn't providing us very good skateability. Leave it in the comments below if you'd let me build your house. Yeah, it's got reverb. Jaws, mouth heart. Low rider, ride a little higher. Dun, 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 dun. All right, I'm gonna use this opportunity right here to say, skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. You can send us a board. Then you could probably build something better than I can build, but let's see if I can build something. So this side had this little thing here, but notice, ain't nothing there for that. Ain't no reason for that. All right, Glow, you take these wheels off. So this was my idea. Leave it in the comments below if you think that is gonna work at all. One, 2. All right, where's that 4th wheel? Oh no, oh, it barely fits. So here's what the dilemma we went through at Home Depot yesterday. So an actual thread is not as coarse as this. So this is a 5/16 coarse thread. I'm sure somebody in the comments who actually knows how to build things could tell us what to get or what to do. So then we got these 5/16 inch, prevents loosening from vibration, coarse. So I'm hoping that this fits, feels like it does, looks like it does, looking good. Okay, looks like we got that. But the question is, think that's gonna work? Sort of my spacer. Just put it down, do like that. But now the thing is that this has to be strong enough. That's kind of the main thing. See, what I was looking for that I couldn't find at Home Depot was one of these that goes all the way across, that goes to both trucks. I mean, both wheels. So then we just got this one and we thought, okay, let's see if it works. I think the goal of this is to land at least a kickflip and a drop in. Like we built it and we landed at least a kickflip. That moment you drill right into your leg. Oh, also we gotta grip this board too. So if we grip it last, then it's like the glow board. All right, where's that skate tool? Why do I constantly lose things?
Wow.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
How you like me now? Okay, I guess the question remains though, is that one hardware gonna be strong enough to hold that wheel?
Absolutely. Think? Absolutely. It looks good though.
It does look good. Doesn't that look pretty sick? Especially you toss some grip on here. Come on, tell me I didn't just make a new invention. But if this thing could go across the whole thing, your dad's a welder. We could just get some metal and just weld it across. So I just want to make a point here because skateboard trucks cost what? $25? No, $40 each. So this right here, this setup, you know how much this costs? $20.
This costs $20?
All of these? Yeah, and the bolts and everything?
You were with him.
Yeah, you were with me.
I wasn't paying attention.
But $20 is not that much for all this. I mean, it's less than the price of one truck, and you got 2 trucks. Not only got 2 trucks, but you got 2 custom trucks.
Fat profit.
If you would buy this, leave it in the comments below. You know what I didn't think about this whole time? What if they're not like totally straight? Like one's going this way and the other one's going that way. It's not really gonna roll at all. Now that I look at it, I'm pretty sure that one is not straight. You think it's gonna work?
Hey, we should just make it and see if it works out. Whoa, you sunk the bolt.
Yeah, that's the whole point.
Bro, that ruins the structural integrity of this board now.
No, stop it. Where we're going, we ain't worried about pressure cracks. But you know, it's interesting. So this one, you see how that's like further in there? That's as far out as I could get the wheel. But see, it's almost touching the board. And then look at this one. We got plenty of space. Look at that beauty. I think we grip it. What do you think? Grip it to rip it?
Here, let it roll. Let's see if it rolls straight.
Get out of here! Put this thing on the ground!
Does it bend?
I didn't really put too much pressure on it, but it's actually, I think I slayed this. I mean, working for how long? And once you start jumping on it, I don't know. See, the thing that I was also worried about is, see these sticking up a little bit? I mean, I can grind them down. Grip tape or no? This is my idea to get it to stop from turning, is to put 2 pieces of hardware on each side like that.
I think that works.
You think we should do that? And I'm gonna have to grip over these wheels somehow?
Yeah, smack it on it. Perfect.
Razor, sharp. Dang it, it is gonna turn. All right, we're gonna skate it a little bit, then we're gonna probably need to hack that turn. We're gonna have to put something there to make sure it doesn't turn. Look at that though, how fire is that? Leave it in the comments below if I did a good job building that. Okay, JD, rate my build.
It's actually very lightweight. No grinds, really.
Wait, let's get the lightest person here. Blue. Yeah, you got it. Up. Oh, come on! You see how bad he wants the ball? He'll literally do anything. Now the second lightest person in the Braille house, Jay Dizzler.
Oh gosh. Oh yeah.
What do you mean, oh gosh? I think we fully hacked it. We done fully hacked it. I don't think that was done on the earlier one at all. When I say that, I mean like fully rolling. The other one just basically turned into like a carpet skateboard.
It might bottom out.
No.
Oh no, you're good.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, Glow, you see this? How you like me now?
I never not liked you.
All right, Andrew, you ready? First try?
Yeah, let's see it. Whoa.
Okay, when we hacked this, we said the thing that's gonna make it is if you can do a kickflip and continue rolling. Gotta get this out, All I'm gonna do is prove the haters wrong. It's what I've been doing my whole life.
Prove them.
All right, let's prove them.
Oh.
Rolling, land, and keep rolling. Damage report. See that wheel? We really done it right on this side.
Oh, that's good.
You got this?
No, you got this. We're watching you make it.
Okay, the wheels be grinding. Something would go wrong right there.
Why didn't you do your thing?
Yeah, we need to. 3 more tries and I'm gonna hack it further.
How is money?
All right, further hack it. We gotta hack it. Give me this. La patineta is the patineta. I hope all the holes, the extra holes, don't like ruin the structure. Ruin the structural integrity. There goes my phone. You just broke my phone. So you see what our idea is here? Locked in there. So look at that. If we had like a piece of metal right here that we could go in between those, then it would be like really good. But you know, for now, I actually do think that did do pretty good.
That's not going anywhere.
You don't think so?
No way.
How you like that?
Look good.
Think? I could build your house, I could build anything. We out here. This is gonna be the best build we've ever done. Somebody gonna take this down to 5.
Half of betting, it'd be over.
Okay, after several hundred hours, you know, now I think the last like part of the hack is to take the grinder and grind these down. Bro, it is so good. Dang, I gotta get a good kickflip though. That's what this whole thing is about. Why, Mom? Why? Sheesh. Mo, we kickflip this.
You want the champ to get in this? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Bring it back.
Glow got 2 dubs yesterday.
I'm running on all adrenaline right now.
Swoop. It only takes 1, don't it?
That's tough.
Look at that, I landed so good and all these haters just be hating. That's how we do it. You want me to do it moving? I'll give you a rebate on that. No big deal, ain't no thing. Dang, bro, get it. Oh. I wish you would have seen the other one though. Mowgli! I heard something snap.
Oh, it didn't.
I don't see nothing.
Okay, it was a glitch.
Oh,
it was
there
a
it
glitch.
is. It popped out.
All right, respect for that kickflip.
Thank you.
I guess the rolling part is crazy.
All right, JD, run this kickflip. I feel like he has it. All right, let's run this. Glow, Father. All right, maybe we can't do it rolling, but we can do it standing still. I guess it's time for the mini ramp, Jay Dizzler.
We gotta land this kickflip.
Starting to scrape down with those.
Oh, I almost had that one. What's up, fool? You gonna land it?
Who's got glasses? All right, let me saw those off. Oh, boy. Yeah, it does feel like the board is breaking a little bit.
I think it broke.
Yeah, the structural integrity of these right here, it's snapping the board. See right there, it snapped. Now let's flip it.
Well, that nose is broken.
Okay, maybe my hack is not the greatest hack of all time, but leave it in the comments below what I should have done with that. Maybe there's like some sort of a U-bolt. I'm sure there's something. We need to go back to Home Depot. Send me one that can turn that's really legit lowrider skateboard. Skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. Let's go.
You want an ollie flip too? Go for it.
No,
Unless you got heel flip.
there's no way heel flip is possible on this. Both sides are broken. Yeah, before I varial flipped it, I think I even tray flipped it, but now the board is broken. Dang it.
Wait, you did?
Yeah,
On version 1?
yeah, but standing still. Houston, we got a problem.
Yeah!
$100 first try, he has to roll away all the way to there and hit that ramp. You didn't pop, I'll give you a rebate.
You want me to go faster?
Yes.
All the way to the ramp.
Bro, you had it. That was better than I thought it was gonna go. Blame it on your brother.
Come on, where's the bungee at?
Yeah, the bungee.
See, that's why I don't want to push him too fast.
I think you just gotta send it.
Oh, the wheel came off.
You know what they say, roll it till the wheels come off. How did that happen? Right before he was going on the 5. Look at that. It just ripped straight through. Dang. Well, you know what the weak part is? It's the wood. All right, well, leave it in the comments below if you want to see me hack some more boards, or what crazy boards ideas do you have, or skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. You guys know what to do. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. Let's get it.